This tutorial shows you the cheapest way to get Disney Plus and Hulu together right now. First, head over to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. Using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. Once you're on the Disney Plus website, scroll down until you find the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle. The cheapest option is the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle with ads. The regular monthly price is $12.99 per month, but Disney currently offers a 6-month price lock option for $71.94 total. That works out to $11.99 per month for your first 6 months, making this the cheapest current way to get both Disney Plus and Hulu together. After the initial 6-month period, the bundle automatically renews at the regular monthly price of $12.99 per month unless you cancel. Just keep in mind that this cheaper bundle includes ads. If you want Disney Plus and Hulu without ads, there is also a premium bundle available. To sign up, select the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle and choose the 6-month option if it is available to you. Next, create your MyDisney account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your email address and password, continue to checkout, review your plan, and enter your payment information. Once you complete your purchase, your subscription will be active and you can start watching Disney Plus and Hulu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way is by using my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.